back with another fucking banger video. And just do it.
Fuck.
Hey, can you guys go bring those bottles somewhere else, bro? Please.
Yeah, we just found them. We just want to get rid of
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Alright, what's up YouTube? We're back with another fucking banger video. Alright, so we're gonna do the sneezy prank. Now fill the water bottle up. You think that's enough?
Yeah.
But I got these fucking asshole glasses on. Just straight act like an asshole.
Fuck yeah. Okay.
You know, get the double stuff. You know, I like my bitches big.
I like 'em big. I like 'em chunky. I like 'em big.
Can I get a medium 77 and a back row register 617?
Shut the fuck up, bitch. What you want? What you want?
I want all this.
Get that fucking just stuff it up.
Let's go.
What's up? What? I didn't sneeze. No. You felt something? No, I had my mask on. For real? Nah, it wasn't even me. Huh?
Did you have your mask on?
Yeah. No, I took it out real quick. Did I sneeze on you?
Hey, you sneezed in the back of my neck.
I'm sorry. You okay?
Mask on your face, man.
Well, it's okay. I got tested last month,
Keep the mask on your face.
but it was only positive. But it's already been a
I
month.
don't care about all that. Keep the mask on your damn face next time.
Just because I'm homosexual?
I don't give a fuck what you got on, man. Keep it moving.
It's because I'm gay?
Keep it moving, dude. And I mean it. Keep it moving.
Sorry, Daddy.
That's tough. That's tough. That's
What's you getting? Hello. Daddy, chill.
「喧騒まみれこの街の演奏玉」
Oh my god.
What's wrong with you?
I'm so sorry.
What's wrong with you?
I'm so sorry. It was coming out. So sorry.
What's wrong with you?
So sorry.
Don't spit on somebody like
I was
that.
sneezing.
No, some kid just sneezed on me. Walked up behind me and sneezed
Nigga bitch, nigga bitch, nigga snitch, nigga hoe, nigga bitch, nigga bitch, nigga snitch, nigga hoe, nigga bitch, nigga snitch, nigga hoe, nigga bitch, nigga snitch, nigga hoe, nigga bitch, nigga snitch, nigga.
Hey, hold up. Bro,
Have you ever had a dream that you had you
Jesus, I gotta, bro. I gotta go in the back. Fucking pussy.
Lonely on the beat?
Put your volume on. It is.
Hunt me, fuck me, daddy better make me show.
Can I get a cup of water? No, that'll be it.
Lick. I wanna eat your dick, but I can't fuck up my nails, so I'ma pick it up with chopsticks. Mouth wide open, like I was at the dentist. Mouth wide open.
Take her to the road. I know she calmed down. Tell her put that ass on froze. And alright, yeah. Pain like working.